Okay, this is a second part of how Microsoft Forms can help us get better from within our building and within our own classrooms and between our classrooms and between our content area. All right, all I have done is clicked on the Share tab, and you really have three options about how you can share a form. Okay, most of you have experienced this type of share form. If I click copy here, then I can get that as a pasted link, and then I'm just going to go to this open book that I have here, and then I want to look at this one right here because I'm making this for your presentation. Show shared leadership. Okay, maybe I add a column here that's got a title that says rename videos for this presentation. Or let's say form videos for this presentation. All right, now I can do a link to a YouTube video. I can do a link to a form. Okay, I could do pretty much a link to anything. I've had a hard time doing a PDF in the easy way. I think the PDFs might just be, can we open up our OneDrives to each other? Okay, so what do I want this to be? Forms for this presentation. Okay, all right, so I'm on this page right here, forms for this presentation, and then I'm going to give it a title. I'm going to say to take only. Okay, and if we're going to do to take only, I don't know how many people have done a lot with Excel. I haven't done I've probably done more than most people have, but I'm by far not Mike Urbank when it comes to like understanding how Excel works. All right, now that I've taken that, I can paste that there, and then as long as I hit enter, it's going to give me a hyperlink. Now, this should be available to anybody that gets the link to this Excel book that I'm going to send out later, or I'm going to attach in the email that I send to Brett and send to all of you to be able to like use in the future. And what we need to do is we need to think about in our PLC groups, we need to think about in our admin group, we need to think about in our ULT group is how we can make this a consistent process so the users, teachers and students, need to be able to like consistently know how to get stuff accomplished. Okay, now I'm going to say template, and while I'm at it, I'm going to say collaborate. Now, there's an advantage to both of those. Okay, template, that means you can send it to somebody and they can edit it however anybody wants to, and then they can send it out like it's the to take only. Okay, collaborate is what I initially sent the tabs out, the forms out in the first place, so you could, like, multiple people could see them. I don't know how well that worked. I was probably reaching a little bit the first time I did that. Okay, so I'm going to quickly go back to this form here, and I'm going to click on Save as Template. It's got it pasted for me. Then I'm going to go to this Excel table, and I don't like the fact that it says Book 9, so I'm going to say Teacher Leader Meeting. And then I'm going to give it a date. Tomorrow, I believe, is the 14th, I think. I'm getting a little bit of like loss of like time myself. Teacher leader meeting 4/14/20. Okay, now I'm going to paste that, and as long as I remember hit enter at the end, it should be a live link. Okay, and then we're going to go back and we're going to do it one more time. We're going to get that collaborate tab. Okay, now collaborate means anybody that I send it to, or any person that I distinguish to send it to, can have access to it and they can change it. It's kind of like being an owner on the Teams platform. Okay, now what should happen is when you guys are like in your free time, you're gonna get a chance to be able to open this up, and you're gonna be able to look at it. All right, thanks for watching my.